Yo, what's up, y'all? Alright, we finna check out Stray Kids, their new music video. So, if you're interested in additional content, or if you just want to support the channel, a link will be in the description down below, so you can join me on Patreon, y'all. Now, I don't want to waste no time. Stray Kids, take us home. Turn up. This beat sound hard.
소리를 지르는 내가 창빈이란 더내 자리는 내가 참 더 태도는 복고하게 되기를 복조하는 기관총 몰아친 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후라 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 줏대 훨씬 더 웅장하게.
Whoa, hold on, y'all. They just hit the move mad hard right there. Look.
납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 줏대 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리.
They said something about horns getting louder, y'all. And you hear some car horns, and then you actually hear some brass horns during the beat. I like it. Hey. Wow, y'all. They really wanted to make sure that we hear the hi-hats in this track, in the beat, y'all. The hi-hats, it sound like them shits is hitting real hard. What? Okay.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty.
Yo, this chorus is fire, y'all. For real. The vocals and the beat. This shit is hard.
Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules. Okay. Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick, tick, tick? I don't ban you. Already 멋있는 척들이 양심. Back.
Yo, I like that right there, y'all. I don't know if that's one of the members or a backup dancer, but you see somebody going like this with their hand while the other person rapping, y'all. That's different. Look. Hey. Let's go. Turn up. Yo, I like that move right there. Y'all don't know what it's called. The choreography hitting a little bit different for me right now, for real. I usually watch girl groups, y'all, 9 times out of 10. You feel me? But I gotta give credit where credit is due. They killing this shit right now. I'm really not even paying attention to the captions at this point, cause their moves is fire, y'all. Let's keep moving forward. Let's go.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty.
Come on. I like that leg movement. Wait, hold on. It looked like he just did like some shit like if he had a bow and arrow in his hand. Hold on. See what I'm saying? I don't know what that is. If that's a dance move, let me know, y'all. Turn up.
Sorry, I'm dirty.
Come on.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Keep on talking, we don't play
Yo, is this what Stray Kids is about, y'all? Let me know in the comment section down below, because if this is what they do on the regular, then I definitely want to check out more of their videos. Let me know, y'all. Let's go. Yo, this shit was hard. This was not what I was expecting. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we gonna exit this full screen shit. We gonna hit that thumbs button all the way the fuck up. And like I said, y'all, this is not what I was expecting at all, to be honest with you. My expectations was just, I didn't expect to like this much. You know what I'm saying? I'm just keeping it real with y'all. The beat was hard, they were rapping, and they were saying shit for sure. I saw the captions, you know what I'm saying? But at some point, they were dancing so good, the choreography was so fire, and I was looking at the visuals. I really didn't even want to pay attention to the lyrics at this point, y'all. I will listen to this again on my own time, just so I could find out, you know, what they were talking about. But like I said, if this is what this group is about, let me know, y'all. Put me on and I'll check them out some more. Links will be in the description down below for the following, so you can check out this video, so you can follow me on Twitter and or check my music out on Spotify. Hit that subscribe button if you likes what I do. Also hit that bell for all notifications. Yo, I really appreciate each and every single last motherfucking one of you. I mean that shit, y'all. I go by the name of A. And remember, I'm here now. Until next time.